shenanigans. We gonna shenanigate it. You dig? Increase our playback speed up to 1.5. That should help us out. If not, hell, y'all know to go check out the Rumble. Rumble. The video will be over there. Let's get back to it.
Okay. You know, my goal is really, here's my future plans. I want to get you, Larry, and 40 in your bunch, really create content all day, bro. Like, there's no reason not to. Trade content house, dude. That's what it is.
Bro, we've been talking, so like my crib, I built like a content room with a bunch of different sets, with like different live, like the sweetie shit that's been going viral the last 2 days, all, and my spot would just go from wall to wall, so we created a set on the wall, and I was just telling him, like, bro, we need to get a warehouse where we can build 30 sets just around the whole wall, and everyone is a different platform, so when it's time to roll out your music or show anything, you come to one spot, you get 30 pieces, and they all different things. We got media games, because my whole shit is like, rebuilding multimedia, so we don't got to go to them and ask Billboard to do a piece on us or ask GQ to do a piece on us. We just create all that shit our own. Live performance shit. I've been having artists go viral on the live performance side since early in my journey, so that's literally our map and blueprint. Ooh, this is fire. Damn, man. Oh, man. This shit hard.
You know they hating on your boy. I told you they was gonna try to quit me. Shout out to Burner though. He got his content copyrighted protected, which, you know, that's bad for us review channels. That means we can't use your shit, which means you ain't gonna get no reviews. Shouts out to not getting reviews, because you know your content stand by itself. I don't need nobody to review me. Fuck them suckers. They trying to come up off a play. Nah, I'm trying to work with you, because I ain't got time to work with you. You dig? In person, I ain't got time for your schedule, but I got time to review your content on my schedule. Yeah, it's a difference. You know, hey. I respect your game and your hustle, but at the same point in time, you got to respect my game and my hustle too. Hell, you're going to have haters, then you're going to have review haters. Well, you dig? I'm not hating on you, but I'm just reviewing you, not to hate on you. It's more of a, hey, if y'all ain't checking out the big homie, y'all slipping. But, you know, if you don't want the free marketing and promoting, that, well, you can just consider me a hater, because now I'm going to stop watching your shit. Shout out to Burner. I already done quit watching him, though, because, you know, I already knew this. So I said, hell, I'm surprised it went that long. But, you know, hey, like I said, come catch it on Rumble. You'll see more of the behind-the-scene work. Had to keep the camera on me.
Oh, my God. How inspiring.
It's nice because, like, what I'll do is I'll have, like, bigger accounts come here. I'll be able to show them what the product looks like merchandise.
In person.
Scope with them downstairs, make them a meal, and then, like, what's it look like getting in your 30 shelves, right? Like, what's it look like getting in your stores, right? So it's a little more personal when you're shopping shit like that. Then you change it out. I haven't had no clients in a while, so all this packaging is old shit. But then they get some of your shit with me, and, you know, they place an order right there. What the fuck? I was new school trapping.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Studio 2? What's up, brother?
This one editing phase.
Editing bay.
Yeah.
This nigga even got an editing bay.
Yeah. we had an all special,
Bro, it's so dope to see, like,
He said he even got that editing
back.
back. Shout out to Russell.
It's shit that we done working with, like, this is what we gonna build, and we don't get to see actual versions of it from niggas who come from where we from. That's like us. So it's like you're always living in this imaginative world of like, okay, it can be. To see it and be in it and touch it, bro. Thank you.
We got laboratory. We got baby lab. Not crazy, but we got the podcast cameras all set up.
Wow.
So that's why I want to make the network, Couch Off Network. That's my goal.
Damn.
This shit's all set up, ready to rock.
It's always the sign.
You
know what that is?
You know, I'll stay smoking today, bro. Sunday, I ain't doing too much of nothing.
Certain spaces, they always got like the C800 or C807. And I'm like, I know when I'm in the right space because they'll have the Elam. Because only certain niggas know that's the one.
That's crispiest.
Bruh.
That bitch comes in a suitcase.
That's like my universal sign. That's like my dragonfly.
Dude, it sounds like I'm in a big lab when I record earlier because that might. We have the QVC shit set up right here. So
it's like a mounted camera?
Yeah. So we can sit down. It's like, boom. Got 3 angles right here.
Oh, they're all mounted.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what's up?
That's hard. So you shot all the episodes for?
Yeah, in this baby ass room. That's wild, bro. And like this, we didn't even build this out. This is the way it was. I just put the sign up and just worked with what I had. Yeah. But like I wanted to build a sick ass set right here. I just wow. So you can see all you see around everywhere is cameras and shit. Like we're really rocking this bitch, dude. That's what we're focused on over here.
Hey, that's what's up, though. He said you gotta have the cameras everywhere, different angles.
Yeah.
Switch back to the video.
That's it.
Every corner.
That's why you said every corner I might do. Once you put the correct lighting,
Morning, Adrian. Good to see you. How you doing?
You know what I'm saying? It's like, that's how you do it. You're like, you don't really need a big ass space. You can just come up one of those spots. All right, if I'm gonna be humble, you probably go like 6 really good sets that can film for a while, then you just change about
seasons. Exactly. After every season, 50 episodes. That's Bro, I was able to build like my shit from my garage early, and I had everybody hitting me to send artists and to do it. It's like I could do that shit over and over because we know the culture isn't the talent. You feel me? We got the eye and ear for like, no, we know what's gonna go because we do it over and over, and just being able to do that and build these platforms. Even my mama shit moving in the platform like content is just